What's up, fellas? Yeah, so I get them from I have two connections, one in Tennessee and one in Florida. They both get them from Targets, but they get them from the back room, and before they even get put on the shelves. So the manager in the back room has to open it up to scan one of them. If you see like half the breaks I do, they do have them sealed. That's because they also get them from Walmart, and the Walmart ones the manager doesn't have to open them up, but at Target they do. So yeah, Eric, I sent you a discount or a refund on some shipping. Heads up. Yeah, I got two guys that are two guys that look out for me all the time. They make a profit too. I don't pay retail price. I have to pay higher than retail price but lower than eBay, and then they ship it to me overnight. So I mean, both the connections they have, they like when Optic came out, they both got product for me like 2 weeks before it even came out on the shelves. And same with Prism. I was the first break on eBay for football Prism. Like the first 5. They were able to both get me some, and they overnighted it. So I put the listings up right when they told me they got it, and then they overnighted it, and then I was able to get the product and do a break like an hour later. So I have a good system. And both those guys I just met from doing breaks, and then they contacted me, and now they get me all the product I need. I have to turn them down a lot of the time because I can't keep up. This isn't my full-time job, so I have enough to do full-time jobs, but if I do this full-time, I mean, it'd be insane, but I try limiting myself to do like 6 breaks a week, because I can do my full-time job and do 6 breaks a week pretty easily, but I get greedy sometimes, and I do like 10 a week, and then I'm up all night shipping and all that stuff, so it kind of sucks. But all right, guys, here we go. It is kind of dark in here today. Sorry about that. I would open up my shades, but then it's like, let me take a look real quick how it'll look. The sun's starting to get at a bad angle in my bedroom, so all right, that's a little better, I think. Eric Gordon, Alonzo. I did go and buy a hobby box of Donruss basketball today. $1,000 I paid for that hobby box of basketball. I broke them all, and I'm already putting them all up on eBay. So if you guys want some, I pulled a Marvel LeBron. That one's gonna be good, and a press proof Crunch Time Ja, and 2 LaMelos. So I should make my money back just from those cards alone. Langford, Kawhi, George Hill, Markkanen, Draymond, Caldwell Pope, Prince, Harris. Hobby box was $1,050, I think, $1,050. But I pulled 2 LaMelos, and they both go for about $180 right now today. So hopefully they both sell today, and I get $360 back just like that. That LeBron will probably sell for like $300 or $400. Dwayne Bacon, Schroeder, Josh Jackson, Zach Collins, Rui, Hero, Jamal Murray, Kevin Love, Deontay Murray. We have our first teal. It's a Jazz, Bogdanovich, Steph Vanity Plates, Lights Camera Action Oladipo. We have a silver hollow arriving now of Pokusevski. Meh. Zeke Naji should be a Wiseman behind it. Yep, Wiseman. Kier Lewis, Precious Achua, Balmaro, Tyrell Terry. I'm gonna try I'm gonna get a better, I'm gonna turn a different light on so it's a little lighter. It's like super light in my room, but for some reason it's not showing on the cam really. I wonder if I click on it. All right. Next pack, Kyrie. Hernan Gomez, James Harden, Seth Curry, Brandon Ingram, Thies, Jackson, DiVincenzo, Otto Porter, Pascal, Zeller. Donruss LaMelo is going for about 180 right now, $180. Baisley, McCollum, Mitchell, John Wall. I mean, that will plummet in the next couple days, so hopefully my two sell. That's why I usually put the prices a little lower on eBay than what the last one sold for, just to make sure I'm not sitting there with my dick in my hand at the end. Kendrick Nunn, Torrey Craig, Christian Wood, Mo Bamba, Devin Booker. We do have a teal rookie, Cassius Stanley. Frequent Flyers, Ben Simmons. We got our first slam. It's a foil of Steph. Very nice. Desmond Bane arriving now. Hampton, Nick Richards, Kenyon Martin, Elijah Hughes, Ellaby, Skylar Mays. So far, the Warriors are having a great break. One Wiseman. Now we have a silver foil slam of Steph. Can't beat that. Nice hit. Sorry about it being so dark. I have all the lights on in my room and I have my window blinds open and it's just the bad angle of where the sun is right now. All right, Kyrie. Yeah, I'll be sending that today for you. Did you get any teams today? Hernan Gomez, Harden, Seth Curry, Ingram, Thies, Jackson, DiVincenzo, Porter, Pascal. If you guys can notice, these go in the same order. Bagley, Cameron Johnson, TJ Warren, Zeller, Baisley, McCollum, Mitchell, Wall, Kendrick Nunn, Torrey Craig, Purple Julius Randle. There's a Ja, Frequent Flyers, just base card. Joel Embiid, Lights, Camera, Action. We have our next slam. It is another foil, Kawhi, going to the Raptors. Very nice. 2 slam foils. Martin, Hughes, LB, Skylar Mays. There's a Peyton Pritchard and a Patrick Williams behind it. 2 silver slams in the first, 3 packs? Not bad. Big Cat. Yeah, we'll just flip it. Kemba, Lou, Matthews, Gafford, Looney, Anthony Davis, DeAndre Jordan, Thibault, Lowry, DeAndre Hunter, Bogdanovich, Dragic, Gary Harris, Dellavedova, Derek White, Derek Rose, Fultz, Alexander, Whiteside. Pull this card a lot, actually. Zion Purple. Nice hit. We have I believe this will be a Tim Duncan. Yep. Tim Duncan slam. Lights, Camera, Paul George. Frequent Flyers, Ben Simmons. Jalen Smith. There's a Denny Okongwu. Saban Lee. Jaden McDaniels, Vernon Carey. I don't think so. I've only ever pulled I've been doing a lot of cellos. Those aren't the greatest to get numbered cards out of. I don't think I have, actually. The best number card I pulled is an Orange Explosion of Denny. Wendell Carter, numbered 25, I believe it was. Trae Young, Alfred Payton, Caruso, Levert, Ben Simmons, Gasol, Russ, Randall, Porter, Gay Kennard, Isaac Oubre, Sabonis Batum, Collins Fox, Connolly, Teal Deontay Murray, Lights Camera Giannis, Vanity Plates Irving, arriving now Sadiq Bey. We've had this connection already. RJ, Richards, Martin Hughes, Ellaby, Skylar Mays. Really nice. Too bad it wasn't a better player. Gordon, Lonzo, Romeo Langford, Kawhi, George Hill, Markkanen. I always pull a KD usually. Prince, Tobias Harris, Schroeder, Jackson. No, they don't. There's no red backs in the cellos. Hachimura, Hero, Jamal Murray, Kevin Love, Deontay Murray, Kevin Herter. Yesterday, I don't know if you guys, some of you guys probably were in it yesterday. I pulled 2 autos yesterday in one box. It was a Theo Maledon and Devin Vassell, 2 rookies. Yeah, hobby boxes have the red. Anthony Simmons, Teal Chris Middleton. There's a Zion Lights Camera. Drew Holiday, Anthony Davis jersey swap. We'll flip for that. Devin Vassell, class of 2020. There we go. LaMelo number 1. That will come off, I think. Yeah. I'm not going to mess with it. You can mess with it. Azubuike, Flynn, Oturu, Cassius, and a Trey Jones. Nice LaMelo. Another Zion. We'll flip for that jersey swap at the end. Fresh Prince. Harold Bledsoe. Levine, Steph, LeBron. LeBron and Steph are always together. Jarrett Allen, Horford, Van Vliet, House, Millsap, Tristan Thompson, Aldrich, Blake Griffin, Fournier, Chris Paul, Miles Turner, Brandon Clark, DeAndre Hunter, Bogdanovich. There's a Jamal Murray teal for you. Nuggets. Harden Vanity. Jay Will Slam, like that card. Donovan Mitchell Lights Camera. Kenyon Martin, Elijah Hughes, Ellaby, Skylar Mays, Pritchard, and Patrick Williams. Where's the Halliburtons? Nice quickly on the back. All right. Joel Embiid. Austin Rivers, Porzingis, JJ Redick, Tatum, Patrick Beverly, Middleton, Chris Dunn, Andrew Wiggins, Kuzma, Will Barton, Andre Drummond, Lonnie Walker. Yeah, right. I gotta get all this stuff done you sent me, man. Ayton, Mello, Graham, Adams, Jaren Jackson, Ingles, Davis Burtons, Bam Bam Bigelow, Teal, Trae Young, Lights Camera Action. There's a Trae Young jersey swap. That'll be nice. Ooh, I got a nice Slam Zion. Very nice. Nice hit. Azubuike, Malachi Flynn, Oturu, Cassius Winston, Trey Jones, and there's a Quickly. Zion's cleaning house in this break. We'll flip for that jersey. I know, man. Danny Green, Siakam, Beasley, Mitchell Robinson, Dwight Powell, Derek Favors, Marcus Smart, Marcus Morris, Dame, Kobe White, Christian Wood, Obamba, Devin Booker, Oladipo, Malik Monk, Cam Reddish, Giles, Clarkson, Beal, Iguodala, James Harden, Explosion, Vanity of LeBron. There we go. Luka Slam. Yesterday I pulled 2 Kobe Slams in a box. Luka Slam, very nice. All the way around, no white marks. Maybe top corner. No, I think that'll be all right. Nice hit. There's a Halliburton, class of 2020. Devin Vassell, Nico Mannion, Grant Riller, another Halliburton, Xavier Tillman, Woodard. Dang, right after Woodard is a LaMelo, so hopefully that's in there. That was a very nice pack. 2 Halliburtons, Lucas Slam, Vanity Plates, LeBron, Teal, Explosion, James Harden. Yeah, that was nice. Chris, Shake, 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 Terrence Davis, Okogie, Kevin Knox, Hardaway, Drew Holiday, Jaylen Brown, Shamet, there's a job base, Aaron Baines, Jeremy Lamb, Air Card, nobody took the Pacers, Rozier, Jeff Teague, Harry Barnes, Gobert, Troy Brown, Kevin Porter, Gay Kennard. There's a purple Drew Holiday. There we go. There's probably the best jersey swap. Luka Ja. That'll be a nice one. Slam KG behind it. Very nice. Frequent Flyers of Dame. Got Xavier Tillman. Woodard. There it should be. Yep. There's a LaMelo number 2. Another solid pack. Azubuike, Malachi Flynn, Oturu. So that pack had a, Luka Joss jersey swap, LaMelo, and a KG Slam card. Not bad. One thing nice about all these cellos is there are a lot of slams. Like in a blaster box, there's only 1 slam per box usually. Meanwhile, with the cello packs, it's like every probably like 1.5 cello packs has a slam in it. Chris, Shake Milton, Terrence Davis, Okogie, Knox, Hardaway, Holiday Brown, Shamet Ja, Rozier, Jeff Teague, Harry Barnes, Gobert, Troy Brown, Kevin Porter, Rudy Gay. What's up, Mikey? Did you bet on the Did you bet on the break tonight? Oh yeah, I'll advertise that now. I'm doing a full gravity box break tonight of hoops. That'll be fun. I don't think there has been one on eBay at all, so this will be the first one on eBay, a full 48-pack gravity box. Get your bids in for that one. Bids will probably be higher. Kennard, Isaac, Oubre, Cam Johnson, purple, Brandon Ingram, vanity. There's a Luka Lights camera action. I've never pulled that card. I don't know, he looks like a doofer in that picture. Weird. Wow, we are hitting the big jersey swaps today. Zion Ja. I think that's the 3rd Ja jersey swap. Sadiq Bey. Tyler Bey. Theo. There's a Cole Anthony with an Anthony... No, not an Anthony Edwards behind it. Killian Hayes. Wow, every time I've seen a Cole Anthony, Anthony Edwards is always behind it. Not in that one for some reason. All right, last pack. There'll be some nice, interesting flip the coins for those jersey swap cards. Last pack. Good luck. Joel Embiid. Austin Rivers. Porzingis. J.J. Redick. Jason Tatum. Patrick Beverly. Middleton. Chris Dunn. Andrew Wiggins. Kuzma. Ingles. Burtons. Bam Bam Bigelow. Michael Porter. Colin Sexton. It up. Bagley. Cam Johnson. T.J. Warren. Cody Zeller. Darius Baisley. Come on, rookie. Nope. Tristan Thompson. Teal. Man, it's so dark for some reason. So light in my room. Another KG slam. No KD slams. 2 KG slams. Frequent flyers. Dame. Bradley Beal. Lights camera. Ellaby. Skylar Mays. Peyton Pritchard. Patrick Williams. Devin Vassell. Nico Mannion. No autos. No LeBron slam. No Kobe slam. All right, though. We got 4 very nice jersey cards. Well, 3 very nice ones. 3 jaws on them. I'm going to get a pen and paper out so I remember these. Sorry about that. 4 jersey cards. Let's do it. First one up. We got Zion Ja. That and the next one are the 2 very nice ones. So we got Pelicans heads. Grizzlies tails. It is a heads. That one's going to Pelicans. Zion gets the first one. Zion's had a very nice break. Card number 2. We got a Luka Ja. So we got Dallas heads, Grizzlies tails. Ja's 0 for 2. It's heads. It's going to Dallas. Let's not make it 0 for 3. Ja heads. Trae Young tails. That is a heads. So that does go to Ja. At least he got one of the 3. Could have swept house there, and that would have been crazy. And the final one, we got Pelicans heads, Lakers tails. Heads, Pelicans. All right, let's do a review here quick. We had the 4 jersey swap cards we just went over. 1 of 2 KG slams. Luka lights camera. 1 of 2 LaMelos. Vanity plates LeBron. James Harden teal. We had the Luka slam. 2 Halliburtons back to back there. We had the Zion slam. Quickly, Jamal Murray teal. J. Will slam. Peyton Pritchard, Patrick Williams. We had a few of those. Zion lights camera. There's the other LaMelo. Deontay Murray teal. We had the Zion purple. Tim Duncan slam. Frequent flyers Ja. We had this foil slam Kawhi. Foil slam Steph. And 1 Wiseman. All right, guys. I will put the replay up of this right away. Like I said, I'm doing that gravity box later tonight. If you guys want to get in on that fun, that should be a fun time. And I'll get this shipped out hopefully tomorrow. Probably bring it to the post office tomorrow night. So, good luck, everybody. Good luck if you bid again tonight. Otherwise, thanks for joining this. I love doing the afternoon breaks. It was my last one here of the week. But thanks for joining, guys. I appreciate it. And I am also doing another 2 Cello box break of this on Friday night. So that'll be fun as well. So 2 big hoops breaks left. All right, guys. Appreciate you. Have a good day.